This is the best Forex trading strategy if you're trading prop firm challenges. I'll be telling you why in just a bit. Now, what I like to call this is the ICT Reversal strategy. The reason I like this strategy is basically because of four main reasons. And number one is simply because it happens almost every single day. So you'll be getting to catch this setup at least 5 times or 4 times a week. So this is one of those best strategies, especially if you're currently in a drawdown. This is what is going to help you to get out of that drawdown and you pass your challenge. The second reason is simply because this particular strategy, it allows you to make a re-entry. Let's say you've entered a trade and you've lost on that trade. This particular strategy, it actually allows you to re-enter the market or re-enter your trade for you to be able to actually win that particular trade. The third reason is simply because this particular strategy has a 70% win rate and it actually gives you a 1-to-3-5 risk to reward ratio. So this is one of those that is actually so good. So if you actually looking for a strategy, this is definitely the strategy that you're going to be using from today onwards. The fourth reason is simply because this particular strategy is so easy to master. I mean, even if you're just beginning your Forex trading journey, this is the strategy that you'll actually be using and you'll not find any problems with it during your learning process. So if you're ready, strap yourself. Let's get into this strategy. And in case you find value in this particular video, please go ahead and give it a like because this really helps out the channel. Now with this strategy, personally, I use it on the Euro USD pair. And what you're going to be doing is basically this. During the London kill zone, you're basically going to wait for price to basically form an order block, and this is what our basis for this particular strategy. So you can see right here, during this London kill zone, basically price is trying to make that expansion, and that's exactly what we want. So let's continue playing price and we see. So right there, so what you're going to be looking at is that at exactly 5 a.m. this is when we expect our reversal to be starting. So once price has actually expanded this way, and at least it should have at least expanded for more than 20 pips for that particular day during the London session. So once price has actually expanded, so if we put our measure right here, you can see this is at least more than the 20 pips that we are waiting for this price to actually expand. So once this expansion has happened, so right around the 5 a.m. hour, this is when price actually now starts to create or make that reversal to the upside. So this is what we're looking at. So once we get to this hour, what we do next, we drop down to the 1 minute time frame. So that's exactly what I've done. And what I'm looking at is for the first change of character. So let's try and have a look at that. So let's see. So price is right there. So the change of character has happened, and what we do next, we enter on this change of character at this level that has just been taken out. So let's try and enter on that. Usually I use a 5 pip stop loss. So this is it, and my target for this particular trade is always just 17.5 or 17.5 pips, which basically comes to a 1-to-3-5 risk to reward ratio. So you can see it right here. This is what my target is for the day, and boom, I always just wait for price to do whatever it's doing, and I'll be able to actually make this trade. So assuming now our entry has been done, let's for us not to take so long, let's get back to the 15-minute time frame and see what price exactly does in this particular case. So let's play price and see. So you can see what price is doing right there. So boom, it hits our TP, and that is it. So this was on 14th of February. You can see, guys, this particular strategy happens almost each and every day. So if you actually incorporate or use it in your trading, you'll definitely become profitable. Now, of course, this is a great strategy, but if you do not couple this with a good risk management, you'll definitely not make it in this prop farm space. And if you found this video very helpful, please go ahead, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and maybe also share this video with someone that you feel might be able to benefit from this video. Now, if you've been looking for a prop farm to take your next prop farm challenge, Skilled Funded Trader is my best recommendation, because with these guys, they actually have some of the best conditions. They have a 24/7 support, and they have some of the best brokers in the industry. I mean, you'll not get slipped out of your trades when you've just actually maybe entered it and then it just runs right to your stop loss. These guys have some of the best brokers. So if you need to actually take your next challenge with them, I'll be leaving a link to Skilled Funded Trader right in the description. For more forex trading content, check out this next video.